Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yeah, before you blow your candle, ano po ng wish ni Nia? What's your wish, Nia?
Secret.
Si Mami na lang, si Ma'am Grace. What's your wish for Nia po, ma'am? I wish that Nia will grow up to be a good girl, a good daughter, a good big sister for Ken, and that she will always remember to pray to God. And syempre si Sir Necky.
Na sana lumaki siyang healthy, big, and strong.
Yan, thank you po. And Nia, you may now blow your candle. Ready, 1, 2, go. Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Nia. Happy